Hello, it is Yvonne here. I'm coming at you today with a video because I just said, you know what, I'm going to show the sample that I got, and I'm going to be very real. I'm going to show you the mess I have in my room right now. Yeah, well, in my closet area for sure. I had a fan on, but I turned it off because then you wouldn't be able to hear me. The fan is too loud. But I clearly have a little window here. Just a little window here. If you can see the peak of the window, there it is. That's the window there. So I have it open, so it is hot in here. I live in Texas. Texas is hot, let me tell you. But if you don't follow me, I do Goodwill Urban hauls. I did a Goodwill Urban haul already where I filmed some stuff that I showed you before, that I got before when I found that jewelry that I found at the Goodwill. It is possible to find stuff at the Goodwill outlet. It is possible. It does happen. I know people, I see it all the time on TikTok. I want everything, a bunch of garbage. And I'm going, well, great. Great for you, because when I go, I do find sometimes some good stuff. And, it's kind of random. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. It's not all the time. But I haven't gone in a while. But that video that I filmed, I will be showing you the jewelry that I found from there in a video either before or after this one. So just keep an eye. I'm going to post it right after, right before this one. But if you see, if you're seeing the stuff and you're like, oh, I will post what I'm selling on my Vinted. I'm on Vinted. I'm on eBay, and I'm on Poshmark under luxury, under Orejita Girl or jcfhtrl. Go follow me on there. Vinted will probably give you the best deal because Vinted does not charge for selling on there. So I'll give you a good deal on there. It's just, I just want to get rid of it. Also, Luxury Handbag Cheapskate for Instagram and TikTok if you're interested. I'm not really as active on TikTok, but I am more active on my Instagram. So if you want to go see me on there, go ahead. I'm drinking tea out of my Becky's 250 whatever little cup that I have for the July 4th season that I thrifted. I got this at Goodwill for $4. $4. They cost about $39 on, or is it 40? I don't know. A lot of resellers sell them, but I want the new one from the 250th, but that one is, yeah, I'm not going to go to Buc-ee's anytime soon to get that one. But I have a lot of stuff, and I'm going to show you the sample first, and then I'll show you the overview of my closet. But let's go into the sample here that I have. This is the sample I got. I already opened it. It's this Bulgari Roma sample. This is a citrusy scent, so really nice. If you don't know, you can get these through sponsored ads. I have a video on how to get them through sponsored ads. I also have a video, but if you follow like the freebie guy, Lisa Loves Freebies, especially on Instagram, you're not following Lisa Loves Freebies, like run, literally run, go follow her. Give her a like. She has no idea I exist, but go follow her because she's the one who gives me all the cool freebies and shows me all the cool freebies. There's a lot that I don't get, that I don't apply for, things like that, but there are a lot where you get to test items too, and she posts a lot of those, so if you're interested in that, go follow her. But I just got some from Macy's the other day too, so those are in here, and some freebies here for my birthday that I need to put away. I'm going to be filming a video on all the freebies I got for my birthday as well. Yeah, it's a lot. I have just a lot of mess. Oh, look, these little jewelry holders. I can show you these. They're just little, like, pill cases, and I put my jewelry necklaces in there. These are just like the ones that, you don't want them to get all, like, tangled because they're so dainty. Yeah, these are them. So, yeah, see? So pretty. So, I have those in there. I have more in here. I have my little Coach bracelet here. Needs to be put away. It usually goes over there. Over there, see on the top, but it's not. Clearly, it's over here because I move stuff. And, it's a lot. And my RA is really not being nice today. But look at this card I got from a friend. She gave me this for my birthday. This really cute card. It's so cute. I love the little baby Rosie the Riveter. So I love that. And then I have this pouch here, which she gifted me as well, with the card. It's this 250th anniversary pouch with artwork from one of my friends, Donna Russell. Yeah, this is beautiful. My friend Donna Russell made this artwork, and she screen printed it onto this little pouches for the 250s, and I just think it's beautiful because I love the eagle. The eagle reminds me of my grandpa, so it's just beautiful. She did sign it as well, so there's that. And of course, this is just stuff I need to put away. As you can see clearly, I have jewelry and stuff to put away back there. Oh, these are the bags. This is one of the bags that I currently have for sale. Let me show you really quickly. This is a Michael Kors bag with the calf hair. It's beautiful. It is for sale. It is gorgeous. Go look on Vinted. And go look on Poshmark on eBay. But I have it on Vinted. And I'll give you a good deal. Just send a reasonable offer to this bag. It's beautiful. It's a great little bag. Also, this is the bag I carried the other day. My little Dior bag. I carried it yesterday. It's just so pretty. It's so pretty. So yeah, I had my little lipstick holder, which I showed you already in a video. If I haven't, you'll see it coming. I got that. But I'm dealing with this mess. As you can see, I have a lot of clutter, right? So all this needs to be put away. I have some charms here, which I'm going to make into little purse charms. These are all like little fiesta medals. I'm sorry, that I'm going to make into purse charms. And they're all in there, so I need to do those, but I haven't done those. Then you come over here and and I'll show you the mess. This is the mess I currently have. Yeah, this is the mess I'm currently dealing with. Can you see it? It's messy. It is really badly messy. I need to put stuff away. I need to decide what I'm going to keep. What I'm not going to keep. You know, kind of like just random. That is clothes is clean. That needs to be put away, but I have not put it away yet, but I will put it away. It will be put away. It just, you know, I can't reach the stuff as clearly. That is actually my, can you see that? That is actually my Letterman jacket. Yeah, it's really bad, the Letterman jacket. It peeled. So it's in a plastic kind of, you know, put away. It was in a closet for a long time, and then I had to get it out. And then the sleeves peeled because they're not leather, right? So I wish I could replace it into leather, but that takes a lot of money to do things like that. So I'm not doing that. Bye. All right, bye.